students, so today we will discuss about the similarity in triangles. Similar triangles means which are same in shape, not necessarily they are same in size. जो दिखने में बिल्कुल एक से हो, साइज ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है. It means what? It means all the congruent angles are similar to each other. जितने भी congruent angles होंगे वो सबके सब एक दूसरे के सिमिलर होंगे. बट इसके अलावा all the figures which are same in shape will be similar to each other. They may differ in size, in sizes, right? And the best example is your photographs. One small one, then the enlarge. They all will be similar to each other. Clear? जितने भी आपके फोटोग्राफ्स हैं अलग अलग साइज के, they will be similar to each other. And in triangle there are few rules through which you can prove the similarity of triangles. As earlier we have discussed about the congruency of triangles, so today we will discuss about the similarity of triangles. Clear? See what happens. You can prove two triangles similar to each other. You can prove two triangles similar to each other. For that we have some laws, some axioms. Number one, if all the three angles of the first triangles are equal to all the three angles of the second triangle, in abbreviate we can say that if two angles of the first triangle, if two angles of the two first triangles are respectively equal to two angles of the second triangle, third will be automatically equal. Sum of all the angles is 180 degree. Triangles are similar to each other, right? Then we say the triangles are similar to each other. Clear? If the triangles are similar, as in congruency we had few results, here also we have some results, very important results. If the triangles are similar to each other, we say that their corresponding parts are in equal ratio. Their corresponding sides are in equal ratio. Or corresponding sides, as we choose in congruency, we will choose here also like that. This angle is equal to this angle just in front of, this is the side BC, and just this angle is equal to this angle just in front of, this is side QR. So ratio between these two sides will be equal to, this is equal to this one just in front of this, the side AC is just in front of this side PR, and third one which is left, that this angle is equal to this angle because these two are already equal to each other, so just in front of this is equal to side AB, and this is corresponding to side PQ. So if the triangles are similar, it happens. अगर ट्रायंगल सिमिलर होंगे तो उनके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स के बीच का रेशियो इक्वल होगा, तभी वो शेप में एक से दिखेंगे, अदरवाइज नॉट. दे विल बी इन सेम शेप इफ देयर कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट्स आर इन इक्वल रेशियो. क्लियर? तो दिस इज द फर्स्ट एक्सियम थ्रू विच, दैट इज द एंगल वी कैन से द ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर टू ईच अदर. सो इफ यू आर गेटिंग एनी टू ट्रायंगल्स and it is happening, you can say that the triangles are similar, and after proving the similarity you get a very important result. It will be used in so many questions. So this is the first rule to prove the similarity of two triangles, right? Now we have the second rule also. Suppose we have once again these two triangles such that in the second case we haven't given the angles equal, and what is given, we have given, हमारे पास ये है AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Suppose we have this. We have given the sides, and if we divide AB and PQ, if we divide BC and QR, if we divide AC and PR, we get the same result. Then also the triangles are similar by side, side, side. So this is the second rule through which you can prove the similarity of two triangles. Because it may happen that पहले केस में आपको दो एंगल्स पहले वाले ट्रायंगल्स के दो एंगल्स दूसरे वाले ट्रायंगल्स के बराबर दिए गए हैं, बट ऐसा हर जगह नहीं होगा. इन सब दो क्वेश्चंस आपके पास ऐसा भी हो सकता है. तो यू विल प्रूव द सिमिलरिटी ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स बाय दिस रूल. और इसका रिजल्ट क्या होगा? ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द बेसिक कंसेप्ट. इफ द ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर, उनके एंगल्स तो बराबर होने हैं, नहीं तो फिगर एक साथ दिख ही नहीं सकता, राइट? अगर दो फिगर्स या ट्रायंगल्स सिमिलर हैं तो इसका मतलब क्या? उनके एंगल ऑलरेडी इक्वल हैं. गिवन नहीं है. अब हम अनुमान लगा सकते हैं कि कौन सा एंगल किसके इक्वल होगा. ए बी के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग पी क्यू है, तो ए बी के ठीक सामने का एंगल, दैट इज द एंगल सी. एंगल सी विल बी एंगल आर. दिस इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ सिमिलरिटी. BC का corresponding QR just in front of BC, that is angle A. Angle A is equal to angle P, and third one angle B is equal to angle Q. This is the result of similarity. After proving the similarity by this rule, we are able to find out which angle is equal to which one. Clear? So this is the second rule through which you can prove the similarity of triangle. Right? Now we come to the third one. In third case, if you have given that AB upon PQ is equal to AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR. AC upon PR. You have given the length of these two sides and you get the ratio, it equals, and included angle is same. Suppose this is angle alpha, this is also alpha. In third case, what is given? The ratio between the two sides and the included angle are equal. Then we say the triangles are similar by side angle side. Clear? The triangles are similar by side angle side. Now if the triangles are similar by side angle side, we have one result. क्योंकि जब ट्रायंगल सिमिलर होंगे तो you know that उनका शेप एक सा होगा, यानी कि उनके साइड का रेशियो इक्वल होगा. Similarly their angles will be same. So here the result is BC upon QR will be equal to this. Suppose ये क्या है? Suppose if I divide AB by PQ, it equals K. I divide AC by PR, it equals K. So one result which I will get, that the division of BC and QR will be. This is the result of similarity after proving. If you get the figure like it, right? And just in front of AB, the angle C, just in front of PQ, because these two are the corresponding parts. So angle C is equal to angle R. Angle C is equal to angle R, and angle B is equal to angle Q. तो C, what we had given, हमें केवल इतना पता था, ये एंगल इक्वल थे, हमारे पास और रिजल्ट्स भी आ गए. It means finally what we get? We get that if two triangles are similar by any way, by either angle axiom, by side axiom, by side angle axiom, at last what we are getting? We are getting their corresponding parts are in equal ratio, as well as their corresponding angles are equal. So finally we come to the conclusion and result that if two side triangles are similar, their corresponding all the angles will be equal to each other, and their sides will be in equal ratio or in equal proportion, right? Okay.